Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to be doing my unboxing for Boxyluxe. This is a strange size. I wasn't expecting a size like this, but I finally got my box. I still have another box on the way, which is my base box. So let's just go ahead and unbox Boxyluxe. I did some of my makeup today using the products on the box, already seeing what's inside. But before we get started, I want to talk real quick the products that I'm liking that I received from last month box for the month of February. It was Boxy Adore. It was very pretty. The theme was pink, and I got premium and I also got the base box. So I've been using some of the products, and one of those products, guys, I am loving is the K Somerville. I am so impressed with this product. I wasn't even really looking for anything. I just stopped using the Caprice, which I have been using since I got it. But I feel like, I don't know, my skin needed something else. So I'm like, you know what, I'm going to stop using that serum, which is an antioxidant serum. And I'm going to be using this serum instead, which is a peptide. And after a few days, I wasn't even looking for it. I was like, wow, my skin does look better. Doesn't have like, I don't know. It's just, it looks so much better. So I am liking this product. So this is one of those new ones that I have introduced in my skincare routine. A powder that I'm also including in my skincare is this powder. I love how it smells. It's funny, I mentioned that it doesn't have much of a scent, and it does say that it's going to smell like coconut, but when I use the sponge, because it's damp, I do smell it a lot more. But I don't mind because I love coconut. So I am liking this powder. And the other product that I have been using a lot is a strainer. Every time I do my hair, I've been using that strainer. It's not the same quality I feel like I have from my other strainers, but it does the work. So I am happy that I got that in a box, and that was one of my selections. So those are the products that I feel like I've been using. Oh, and another product I've been using a lot, I don't have it right here with me, is the Hourglass Ambient powder. So I'm happy with that powder, but to be honest, I feel like the Natasha Denona palette that we got, that is a blush, actually a palette, I am liking that blush more than the Hourglass. But so both of them are pretty good. So for this month is Boxy Edgy, and we got 8 products total. And the products, the value of my box is $287, and the weight of my box was 2.6. I do like to know the weight, because once I get that tracking and I see the weight, then I'll know exactly what variation I'm going to be getting. So the first product I want to show you is the palette. I did selected this product. This is from Tarte. This was one of the choice items. So I was kind of like, do I want the mini curling one? Because I had one. I got one on a previous Boxyluxe, but it was regular size. Do I want the eye makeup, the eye moisturizer? But I did selected that on my base box. So the other choice was the Tarte Pro Remix. And it's funny because when you do flip it, it does give you like that effect. So I wasn't expecting that from the box. I did my eye makeup combining this palette with the Hello Charmers palette. And the reason why is because I thought I was just going to be using this palette, but this palette has so many shimmers. Most of the mattes, I think there's just 3 mattes total, which is these shades here. I don't know if it has it. Okay, mixed media, wall art, and ink. So it's these neutral colors, and then the other matte is the black color, which I'm happy with this palette. I thought it was going to be more of a balance between the matte and the shimmer, but go ahead and I think I could do a matte look, and then every shimmer I could use here, because there's so many options on shimmer. So that is pretty different there. So what is the price for the Tarte palette? The Pro Remix Amazonian Clay palette, this one retails for $49, and so far I'm happy with the palette. I like the pigmentation. I like that there was no fallout, and it was very easy to use. It did feel like a professional palette. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. So I'm excited with that product that I got in the box. The second item was the Hello Charmers. Yes, I got it. I was excited to get this palette. And I also did my eye makeup using some of the shades from this palette. But the only thing I didn't like is that anytime I would pick a shade, it just left the palette look like the way it does here. This one is swipe up. I like the effect that it's giving me on the eyes, but it does have a lot of fallout. I probably still have a lot of fallout going on. and it does feel a little like, but it does have that nice shade there. Got 2 palettes, which I'm not complaining because previous boxes I have been selecting more skincare in my choice and I have not been receiving palettes, so I'm okay that I got 2 palettes. Item I got is a blush because I used I forgot, I really didn't focus on what was in the box, that I forgot I even got a blush. This blush, oh, I like this. Is made in South Korea. This product is from Elizabeth Mott, and I remember getting this brand, wow, years ago on Ipsy, so I really like this brand. This one's called Show Me Your Cheeks, and this one retails for $23. And look at the packaging, it's really fresh and very pretty. Oh, I feel like it goes so well with what I'm wearing there. So it looks very pretty, the blush. But wow, I keep getting so many blush. I already have the Natasha Denona that I've been using, the Hourglass, and now this is a new blush. So let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. What else is in my box? We have the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. As you know, there's going to be 3 different shades. I was between the blush, which is kind of like the pink, or the aqua color. I didn't want the navy blue, so I'm glad that I got the pink one. This one retails for $99, and this is a facial cleansing device. Excited for that. Guys, to be honest, the reason why I kept this, you know, I like to do spoilers a lot, and I like spoilers because that way I could pick if I'm going to keep the box or not. I do say that sometimes on my videos. This is why I kept Boxyluxe, was for this device. I have been looking for a device. I have used one years ago, and it was actually my first video that I did on my channel. It was doing a review for the Neutrogena Microdermabrasion device, and I really liked that. But I felt like after a while changing my skincare routine, my skin, I don't know, it was still, I think it was a little too harsh on my skin. So this one does feel a lot softer. And I wanted to try something new. So I'm excited that we got this in our box. And this is such a cute color. And look at this details. I love this. I'm excited, and to be, like I said, this is the reason why I kept this box, because I wanted this product. This product is from NARS. It's a lipstick, and I'm glad we're all getting this product as well, but different shades. I am wearing this lipstick today, and this is from NARS. This is a Power Mate lip pigment. It does feel so nice once you apply it, and then the finish is a matte finish. It feels very matte in my lips, which I love them. This one retails for $25, and this has potency and precision, and it's so true. Because it's so small, it is so precise. I feel like this is almost like a lip liner, so I like that as well. So I really like the shade. Oh, You're No Good. That's interesting. Okay, so the next one that I got, and I also applied this first. So I started applying this, and even though it's a different shade, it matched my lips so perfectly. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and trace it, and then I'm gonna put the lipstick. But with that lipstick from NARS, I don't feel like you need a lip liner. So this is the second choice item. I selected this versus the straws. That was my choice. I know other people had a different choice selection. So I picked the Appeal Gel Liner. I was not able to pick the shade. So the shade that I got, right? And I do like this color. I didn't think it was going to match my lips, but it does match my lips. So this is Appeal Cosmetics. This is a gel liner. It does glide really nicely, and this one retails for $21. And I do say that because sometimes I swatch some liners and they could be very rough on my skin, so I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna put that. It's like applying a pencil, like a regular pencil. That's not fun at all. But this one does feel really nice, and I did swatch really quickly to see what the color was gonna be. So then the other product, and I think it's the other product is Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer. Years ago, I don't know if it was a year and a half ago, when we got Boxyluxe, I also got this product. I think it was a different one, and I took it with me when I went on a trip because I feel like it has everything in one. So this is gonna cleanse, exfoliate, it hydrates, and it massages as well. So the body wash is infused as well as it's a buffer. So that's why I took it with me traveling, because I could just use this, exfoliate, has a body wash in there, so not much unpacking it. So I felt like this was perfect. And this is the 3 ounce. This one is Fresia Pear. So how much does that product retail? That product retails for $16. And lastly, I got the As you know, there was a lot of variations. There was some people going to be getting products for the hair, which I thought I was going to get. But instead, I got the Sol de Janeiro, and I got these two products. I don't know what to say. This is my opinion, guys. In here, when I was counting, we usually get 8, sometimes 9 products, and it does say that the value is going to be like $400, but my value of my box was $287. These are small size. I remember I got this way, I don't know if it was a year and a half ago. I'm going to see if I have the picture still. It was just this product, but it was a big size. So I don't know if it's okay that we got 2 mini ones, that we get to try both. I like that we get to try both of them, because I haven't tried the Coco Cabana cream, which I love coconut, and I love the color, I love the packaging. But I got this years ago, so I'm okay that I got it again. But they're small size. I don't know if we should have gotten one or the other, the big size. So I don't know what's my take on that. But you know what, sometimes I say this on camera, and then when I try them, I was like, oh, I love it, I'm impressed, I like it. And or maybe I didn't like it and it was best that I got in a small size and I got to try it. But I feel like we got a Luxe box. This is not a base box. So for Luxe, I think we should have gotten the big size, which we did get big size before. I'm kind of surprised that we got mini size in a Luxe box. So for that, that's why I wasn't kind of like, that's why I was debating if I was going to keep the box or not. But overall, I'm glad that I got the PMD cleansing device. I also like that I got the palettes. I really like both of the palettes. And everything else is mostly a bonus. I like that I got the sponge as well. So and the NARS lipstick, I'm really impressed. And also the Appeal Cosmetics gel liner. So now that I'm thinking of everything that I got and the quality of the products, I am kind of happy with it. I just wish that these Sol de Janeiros were regular size. That's just my take, because this is a Luxe box and we had received the big size before. So guys, let me know if you got your unboxing already, if you got your boxes already and you're excited for it, or you're still waiting for it. Also, I want to talk about really quickly before I finish the video. I want to talk about that today is the day that we're going to have the premium selection, the choice items. So what I'm going to do on this part of the video, I'm going to show you what the choices are for the premium box. So I'm excited for that. I am not sure yet if you are on the wait list, if you are able to pick. In the past, if you was on the wait list, you was not able to select a product. But if there's new information, I'm going to provide that on this video. So guys, I'm going to share the choice items. There are 5 items actually for the premium box. But before I show you the 5 items for the choice, I want to let you know that there is already confirmed spoilers for the premium box. I'm going to put in this section the video so you can go ahead and check it out. It is more detailed. Those are confirmed and those are variations. So now let's go ahead and see what the choices are.
Charmer's choice for premium is now open. Go ahead and swipe up so you can choose which item you want. We have the Peach and Lily toner, the Kopari coconut face cream. We have 3 beautiful luminous blushes from Becca. We have a Stila glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.